Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by being specific. Name the 3 core tasks you want AI to solve and why they matter. Once done, pick the deployment: local for privacy, cloud for scale, or a hybrid balance. Make sure to identify data sources and apply minimum privacy rules immediately. Then set initial success metrics: time saved, error rate, or revenue impact, so you can measure. Finally, allocate 1-week sprints to build a proof of concept and gather early feedback. You now build the prototype. Use a small, representative dataset and iterate quickly to expose core issues. Next, integrate APIs with secure authentication and add structured logging so you can trace behavior. Once integrated, run validation for accuracy, bias, and latency. Treat each failing case as a prioritized ticket. Also plan deployment steps and rollback criteria. Make sure to involve end users early and update prompts, model selection, or data labeling based on their feedback. You complete deployment using a canary or phased rollout to limit exposure while observing real traffic. After rollout, implement continuous monitoring for performance, drift, and anomalies, and set retraining triggers based on thresholds. Make sure to document incidents and run quick postmortems to capture fixes. If things go wrong, revert the canary, isolate the model, and switch to a safe baseline. Finally, schedule a review to update data pipelines, prompts, or model configurations, and prevent repeat issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.